I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money? Hey, peace, family. What's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. So, peace, love, and blessings. I appreciate y'all for coming to the channel. You know what I'm saying? So, real quick, this is gonna be pertaining to my people that's interested in making money from their phone or making money online and different little stuff like that. I'm gonna do. I guess I'm gonna just call this a Dosh review. Okay. Um, and testimonial or whatever real quick. All right, so I told you about this app, so once again, let me yeah, I'm making so many videos about it because you know that because hey, it's free money. All right, so Pete, I told you about this app. If you don't know what Dosh is, you come in here. It's a cashback rewards program. I'm gonna tell you how it works, and it's in the app store. It's FDIC insured and all that. It's legit. All right. Of course, my referral link will be below, but you can go to the app store. You can check it out and verify it for yourself. You know, why would Apple have some fraudulent service on there anyway? Because people think that free money is a scam sometimes. No, that's not it. Sometimes they have an allocated amount of marketing funds to spend to get people into their app. You know what I'm saying? So this is all it is. You'll catch it while it's hot. Okay. So anyway, you go inside of here and they got stores like Home Depot, Sam's Club, SiriusXM, Apple Music, Super Chewer, Instacart. For people who do you know, online e-commerce type stuff. You got Harry's, you got Loft, you got SeatGeek, so you can buy tickets. You got Uber Eats, you got Vivid Seats, you got Party City, Samsung, Disney, New Balance, eBay, Flamingo, Domino's, Neiman Marcus, WP, Cabela's, Grubhub, Target. You got all these places in here. I'm pretty sure you might shop at one of these places. I think that this app has Dunkin' Donuts and stuff too. So what you do is once you link your debit or credit card, anytime you spend money at one of these places, you're getting cash back. 3% cash back, 3%, 2%, 14%, $20 cash back for ESPN Plus, $20 cash back when you sign up for Lyft. Okay, so these places potentially you're already spending money at anyway. Why not spend your money and get money back? But that's not even the main thing I'm talking about. I'm talking about how to make money from referring people. What I did, I went out, I spent $2 at Dunkin' Donuts. I made 10 cents, okay, and then I went out, referred somebody, got $5. Now I referred somebody else, I got $15. $15. How did I do that? Well, if you check right here, family, sometimes they run promos and they run specials, and especially around the holidays. It's a quick way for me to make an extra $15 just by somebody downloading and linking their card. Because people get weird when they link their card, but you probably got a PayPal, you probably got a Cash App, you might have a Venmo, you know, you have these things anyway. This is nothing but a coupon service, but you can make money just from referring people. So I'm not sure if you'll be at $15, but thing is, just download it. You know, check it out. Link your credit cards specifically at places you're gonna spend your money. You're gonna spend your money at anyway, and then you can refer people to do the same thing and always check in when they're running promos. Matter of fact, I'll make videos every time I see a promo come up on my end. I'll let y'all know to go check on y'all end, because a few weeks ago it was $12. I missed out. Right now it's $15. So family, sign up, get going, get it while it's hot. It's free income. So tell the youngsters, if you got some youngsters out there that's some internet hustlers and entrepreneurs, then do that. Because I understand some of y'all may be making too much money. It may seem like too much time, too much work. But all I'm doing is simply putting out this video to share this information with you. And you can take advantage of this information because not that many people are up on game. And you can put people on. You could be in a household, right? And you know, with this, it's legit, family. You know, so let me show you my payouts. I have $0 in there right now. That's because I sent $36.10 to PayPal. So I had a $15 bonus there, $15 referral there, and then a $5 referral there. Plus I got a 10 cent that I got received from went to Dunkin' Donuts. Then I got the dollar cash back. Every time you link your card, you get $1. So all of my money right there. You can send money to a bank account, to PayPal, or through Venmo. I was going to send it directly to my bank account, but it had my bank account has like security layers for you to log in, and this specific app didn't allow for the extra security precautions. So what I did is just sent it through my PayPal. You can probably use Venmo, and you can probably use a bank too. But you know how the bank might ask you what your favorite color is, what your grandfather's middle name is, you know all this type of stuff. So with that being said, boom, it transferred to PayPal. Then let me see, we go back, we go out of here, and we go through my PayPal. It say you were transferred $36.10 to Randolph Brooks Federal Credit Union, $36.10 right there, and it's gonna tell you if I click on it. Let me see. Right here, Dosh Holdings, $36.10. Boom. Now it might take 1 to 3 business days. You can transfer them immediately for a 1% fee. Sometimes it works quicker than that, but you can spend money right for PayPal, family. So I just wanted to, I'm gonna stop this recording. I wanted to share that with you. It's free money, okay? Just pay attention around holiday season, especially. Sometimes they're doing $5 promos, $10 promos. I mean, they're always doing 5 as of right now. But if you refer somebody for $10 and $15 can add up, family. You can even send somebody $5 just for signing up and linking their card or something like that. You're gonna make $10 off of it anyway. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. You can get creative with this stuff. So if you young and you witty, you can talk to people. You can put them on game. And if you're an honest person that's not out here like, with the foolery, like I tell you, I ain't on no foolery, man. You know what I mean? I'm going to give y'all my honest reviews and opinions and thoughts on something that may be helpful. Because like I say, I know somebody out there trying to keep the lights on, trying to put gas in their tank, looking for some side income. Maybe, this could be something for a teenager to do, potentially. You know what I'm saying? I don't know the terms and conditions about how old you got to be to refer people, but you get the gist of it. It's an easy way. If you got a group of people who don't know, you put them up on game. You show them that you live in proof, and you can show them this video if you want to, or show them some other people on YouTube. Check out YouTube reviews on it. It's legit. I just made $30 yesterday, and all I did was make a video and tell a couple people about it. And honestly, I should have a couple more dollars coming in today. So anyway, family, I hope y'all having a lovely day. Is what you want to call Freedom Friday, make money Friday, man. Feel good, live good, look good. Feel good, whatever, man. So it's Friday. I got some things I got to do. Once again, I appreciate y'all, but check out that app. There's going to be a link below. You know what I'm saying? You can make money online pretty much for free. I spent $2 and I'd have made $36.10. It's a hell of an investment. All right? Peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's